Welcome children in bio class. Children, today in bio class I am going to teach you reproductive health. According to World Health Organization, reproductive health means a total well-being in all aspects of reproduction. In all aspects means physical, emotional, behavioral and social. Therefore, a society with people having physically and functionally normal reproductive organs and normal emotional and behavioral interaction among them in all sex related aspects is called reproductively healthy. Children, there are problems taking the reproductive health. Therefore, India government started programs to for attaining the reproductive health as a social goal. Government of India started the Family Welfare Program in 1951, and in this program all the reproduction related area was included. So name of this program is Reproductive Health and Child Care Program. The aim of this program is to create awareness among people about various reproduction related aspects and providing facilities and support for building up a reproductively healthy society. The main objectives of this program is to create awareness and to build a reproductively healthy society. So for creating the awareness, there are radio, television, newspaper, magazine, hoardings and posters. So they are spreading the message which are related to healthy attitude. Sex education in school introduced to provide right information to young so that the children can understand what is the reality and what are the myth. There are some misconception taking sex related aspects. So due to the lack of the proper knowledge in adolescent stage, or adults are suffering from some sex related problems. They are suffering from sexually transmitted disease. They are not having the knowledge about the changes which are taking place at the age of puberty. So proper education should be given to the couples so that they can understand the importance of reproductive health. They can understand about the size of the family, birth control methods, and mother can take proper care of the child. So better awareness about sex related matters are given by the reproductive child health care programs.